Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an acai bowl. It's very simple and easy to make at home, especially if you want to save money, because you know acai bowls get expensive, but they're also so good. So yeah, it has a lot of nutritional value as well, and it also can be like a meal replacement. So I'm going to start off with what I use. I do have some blueberries right here. They're organic, so you can use these blueberries. You can use any other fruit, but I personally like acai with blueberries, and I like to pair it with berries since acai is on the berry side. This is the one that I have made so far that I personally think is really delicious, and I can just enjoy it every time I eat it. Like, I will not get tired of this. But I have the 1 cup of frozen blueberries, and I have my strawberry and banana toppings. And then I have granola, and then this is the kind of granola I'm using right now. It is sprouted honey hemp granola. And I also have honey, which is in the form of raw honey, and it's organic as well. So this is what I'm using for the topping. If you don't want to use honey, you don't have to. You can also use agave, or you don't have to put any sweeteners at all. And then I do have some sea moss right here, and no, it looks kind of weird. So that's how the sea moss looks, you guys. And sea moss has a lot of benefits. It's very high in iron, it's very high in zinc, and it has a lot of sea moss has 92 minerals out of 102 in our bodies. I'm not sure how accurate that is depending on where you get the sea moss, but I do have sea moss for my acai bowls, and I started adding them in it. But you don't have to, if you don't want to, but it does contain a lot of minerals that our body needs, and it also oxygenates the whole body. This is the type of apple juice that I use, so you guys can use any apple juice, but I personally like this one the best. And it's also given this recipe like so good, but it's also good without it. So you can add water, or you can add apple juice. It doesn't matter, it depends on your preference if how sweet you like it. But for me, I love sweetness, but this just spikes it up more because blueberries are sweet but also a little bitter. And I'm about to pour it in blender. And this blender right here is called Vitamix. It works so well. I recommend for anyone to invest in Vitamix, or there's also other brands that have a great reputation. This has saved my life because I used to use like a regular blender, you know, started from the bottom, but then I got this one, and it's just like a game changer. So yeah, I suggest that you guys do find a better blender, because I know that the blenders that are just regular blenders are not gonna do the job, but they could. You have to just defrost it more, but you could use that one. If you can't invest in one of these, like regular blenders will work as well. I'm just saying that this one works better than the regular blender. I'm about to add this in, and make sure it's a little bit thawed out, because if you just take it out of the freezer and you put it in here super hard, like it's gonna take forever to blend. But yeah, so this is I add the cup of blueberries in there. I like to add some apple juice to it, like that. I also like to use sea moss. So what I do is I put like 1 whole spoon of it, like this. And I'll just add it to that. And the sea moss, you can't even taste it either. Like, the sea moss is non-existent to my knowledge in the way that it tastes. I also add half a banana to the mix, and you just pour it in. What I do is I just grab the topping, and you guys can put any toppings. These are just my favorite ones for this bowl. This is how the bowl is looking so far. I don't know if you guys can see, because if I tilt it will fall, but I will bring it closer anyways. And then I just like to put some granola and some honey. That's pretty pretty much it, you guys. So after that, you just enjoy the bowl and you eat it, and you know, just be thankful. So this is the finished product. I'm about to take a bite. Bon appetit to all of you. Cheers, whatever. So good. So this is my favorite acai recipe so far, and I just wanted to share with anybody because I know acai bowls sound like it's a lot of work, but it's really not. It's just very simple. If you have the ingredients, it's gonna be so fast, and all you're gonna do is wait a little bit for your fruits to thaw out, and then you'll be good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video of how to make an acai bowl. If you want to see other videos, just let me know. You can also comment down below. Comment, like, subscribe, turn on your bell notifications for whenever I do post. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and blessings to everyone, and thank you for watching. I truly appreciate that. And you guys can also follow me on Instagram. You can follow me at Mama MJ Nutrition, but follow me on Instagram and show some love as well. And I'll see you guys on my next video.